Here's how we can on or turn on the location inside of the iPhone settings. So we open up the settings app, and on the main page, I want you to scroll down until you find the section which is the privacy and security. So you can see the privacy and security is what we tap on, and there are location services right at the top. So you can get there, and first of all, the main toggle at the top is general one for the whole feature, right? Because if you don't want your phone to ever use and access your location, you can disable it in here or re-enable it later. But then below we have the dedicated section for every single app. So any app on your device which has ever requested your location can be managed in here. For example, I opened up the Google Maps on my device and it asked whether I want to share my location, right? For a map application, it makes sense. But if I click on don't allow inside of the app, it's gonna say set to never, and in the settings in this place I can change it, right? I can enable it, and let's say that while using the app, the application, the Google Maps specifically, will be able to access my location, and I can also share my precise location. Again, for a map application, it makes total sense. But there are some other apps where you perhaps don't prefer to know your location. For example, some random stuff like I don't even know, like a coffee app or whatever, right? You don't really want to share your location with everything, right? So this is why we can control it. Even you can even come back and change it back to never if you wanted to, and this gives you a great level of control over your device. So let me know if it worked, let me know what you think below, and I'll see you later in future videos.